Hey there, welcome back to Healthy Secrets. Today, I'm excited to share 4 types of seeds that are scientifically proven to improve your health, specifically your blood flow and sexual health. If you're looking to boost circulation and improve your performance, these seeds can make a real difference. And as always, I'll show you a simple, homemade recipe that will give you amazing results. Let's dive right into the first seed, flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats known for improving blood flow. And when it comes to sexual health, better blood flow means stronger erections. Flax seeds also contain lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties that help reduce inflammation and protect your cells. Studies in clinical nutrition have shown that omega-3s in flax seeds improve blood vessel function, which is essential for better circulation. But here's a tip. If you eat flax seeds whole, make sure to chew them well or grind them first. Otherwise, they may pass through your system without giving you their full benefits. You can also use flaxseed oil in your salad dressing or smoothies. The recommended dose? Just 2 teaspoons per day, which gives you a good amount of omega-3s without overwhelming your digestive system. Next up, we have sunflower seeds. These are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps keep your blood vessels healthy and flexible, allowing for better blood flow. That's key to maintaining an erection for longer. Multiple studies have found that vitamin E supports the inner lining of your blood vessels, known as the endothelium. The better this lining functions, the better your blood flows, essential for sexual performance. The best way to get this benefit? Stick to raw sunflower seeds, as roasted ones lose some of their vitamin E. Just 2 ounces a day is all you need. Now, let's talk about sesame seeds. These seeds contain lignans and phytosterols, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve blood flow. That's crucial for keeping arteries open and allowing blood to reach the penis, improving erections. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that phytosterols in sesame seeds can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels. And since clogged arteries can hinder blood flow to important areas, keeping cholesterol in check is vital for sexual health. You can eat them raw, sprinkle them on salads, or use sesame seed oil or tahini in your meals. The ideal daily dose? 2 tablespoons. Finally, we have pumpkin seeds. These are truly miracle seeds. They contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, and calcium, all of which help strengthen your cardiovascular system, improve nerve function, and promote healthy erections. Pumpkin seeds also support prostate health, improve muscle recovery, and protect your cells from free radicals. However, to get the most benefit, make sure to eat them raw or properly dried, as roasting them can make the fats toxic. Aim for around 50 seeds per day for maximum benefits. Now, here's a simple recipe you can make at home to get the best of all 4 seeds. Start by blending half a glass of each seed, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds, into a fine powder. Next, take some good quality honey and mix it with the blended seeds. Squeeze in half a lemon, pour the mixture into an ice cube tray, and freeze it. Once frozen, just pop out 1 cube each day and consume it for 1.5 to 2 months. It's a simple, effective way to boost your blood flow, support prostate health, and improve sexual function. That's it. 4 powerful seeds with science-backed benefits for your health. Incorporate these into your daily routine, try out the homemade recipe, and you'll see amazing results in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use these tips. Stay healthy and see you next time on Healthy Secrets.